Welcome to this technical guide on the CONGA 5796. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your CONGA 5796 is emitting a funny smell during use, you're likely facing a motor issue. This is often caused by overheating or wear and tear, and if not addressed promptly, it can lead to further damage or complete failure of the vacuum. Therefore, timely repair is essential to keep your device functioning correctly and to avoid more costly repairs later on. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement motor for the CONGA 5796, a pair of tweezers, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Make sure you have everything ready before starting the process. First, ensure that the device is unplugged and lay it on a flat surface. Use a screwdriver to carefully open the casing of the CONGA 5796. Start by removing the screws located at the bottom and sides of the device. Once you've removed the screws, gently pry open the casing, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. Inside, locate the motor, which is typically situated towards the back of the unit. You may notice some dust or debris around it, which can contribute to the smell, so it's a good idea to clean the area with isopropyl alcohol before proceeding. Carefully disconnect any wires attached to the motor. Remember to note where each wire connects, as this will be important when you install the new motor. Now, remove the screws securing the motor in place, and gently lift it out of the device. Be cautious not to damage any nearby components during this process. Once the faulty motor is removed, take your replacement motor and position it in the same spot, securing it with the screws you just removed. Reconnect the wires, ensuring they are firmly attached and in the correct positions. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After securing everything, carefully replace the casing and reinsert the screws. Once everything is back in place, plug in the device and turn it on to check if the motor is functioning correctly without any unusual smells. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to regularly clean your device and check for any blockages that may cause overheating. Additionally, storing your device in a dry, cool place can help prolong its life. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.